Project is how to make an electromagnet. You need a nail, copper wire, rubber band, and a D battery. Yeah, I added a switch because it's a lot easier, so you don't have trouble getting these two wires into the battery. So then I just have to plug in one, and you need a lead wire for that. Most important thing you need for the electromagnet is the coil of the wire around the nail. The nail just makes the magnetic field stronger. The more times you turn the wire around the nail, the stronger the magnet will be. Of course, you all know a regular magnet works all the time, doesn't need electricity or a battery. Let go! Thank you. With the electromagnet, it needs electricity from a battery. So you have, and if you have a switch like I do, you need to turn it on. So how it works. So of course, even though it's attached, it still doesn't work. Now, when I turn it on, it works. See?
Oh, cool. See that?
And when I turn it off, they fall down.
That's cool.
Would you like to see it again?
Yes.
Yes.
Look, this is sticky.
Take a stick. Same thing happens if you pull this out. They fall down as well. I can show you how to make a crystal. First, pass these around it and look at this crystal.
Whoa.
Okay. First, to make the crystals, you have to put the rocks here. Put it right on the letter D. Then, next, you put the seeds on, which is to make the crystals. Then, you pour the water, and then stir it up, and then when you're done stirring it, it takes a few hours to make a little thing. Leave it for a few hours, then you look through the magnifying glass, and then you see a little something. If you fill it way too up high, it'll take a long time. But if you fill it up to the right amount, it won't take a long time. It takes 5 days to make the crystal grown into the full thing. Here's one of the crystals that I grew. Wait a second. And here's another one. And it's stuck.
My science experiment is a colored flower experiment. It's easy to make your own colored flowers. All you need are the following ingredients. Fresh flowers, white is best. The good choices include carnations, daisies, and mums. You also need food coloring and warm water. Trim the stem of raw flowers so that they are not too long. Make a slanted cut at the base of this flower stem. The stem it won't sit flat at the bottom of the container. A flat cut can prevent the flower from taking in water. Next, add food coloring to the glass. Use about 20 to 30 drops of food coloring per half cup of warm water. Then soak the flower stem in the colored water. As the flower drinks the water, the petals should become colored after a few hours. It may take as long as 24 hours to change the color. So,
Show them kind of what you did with the...
this is what I did. So, I'll take one of these for example. So these are like daisies.
Carnations.
These are carnations. And what I did is I cut the stem right at the bottom right here. Then I put it in. Then I add some food coloring. Add warm water. Then left it for like at least 3 days. But after 3 days, they changed color. And this is the result of what. So here's the difference between these flowers. You see them, they're all white, right?
Yeah.
Right.
But when you do food coloring, they do this.
Wow!
Magic.
Yeah, so this is blue. There's red. It's a little right there. You see that? There's yellow. These are all carnations. Carnations are usually this color. And I think I have green right here.
Ooh.
This is half and half. So I'm going to come around and show you so you can notice. You see the shaded yellow and the green in there?
Yeah.
So we split the stem, you see?
Yeah.
So if you split the stem half and half, it will become half yellow, half green.
So you put the glasses right next to each other and split the stem, and then it drinks the water. So you want to pass these around so the kids can see them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll start. Wait, make sure you pass them around.
My project is about the solar system. Solar system is the sun and everything around it. Sun is biggest and hottest. This is Mercury. Small and it is closest to the sun. This is Venus. It has yellow clouds and it is closest to us. Earth is where we live. It has water and oxygen. Mars. Mars is a red planet. It has frozen water. Jupiter is the largest planet. It has 16 moons. Saturn. It has a ring made of ice, rocks, and dust. Uranus. I'm always doing it with gas.
You.
Neptune is cold, dark, and blue. It has 4 wings. Pluto is small. Mist and dark.
Which one's Pluto?
Wow.